Anchoring is a core capability that enables ProStory to blend virtual and real worlds. Through different types of spatial anchors, you can precisely bind virtual content to real-world images, objects, environments, or parts of the human body, allowing spatial storytelling to truly happen within the real world. ProStory currently supports 5 types of recognition-based anchors. Image anchoring links virtual content to a specific image in the real world. Click Anchor, then select Image Anchor. In the Properties and Parameters panel, add an image to be used for recognition. Then, in the Content panel, drag the content that should be linked to this image into the Image Anchor group. Adjust the spatial relationship between the content and the image in the viewport. Then all content in this group will be spatially bound to the image. Next, enable the anchor through the event system. In the Events panel, add the following: Trigger event, on scene enter. Action event, start anchor. Select this image as the anchor target. After setup, when a user enters the scene, the device will automatically start image recognition. Once the image is detected in the real world, the virtual content will appear precisely at the preset position. Object anchoring works similarly to image anchoring, except that the recognized target is a trained 3D model. Click Anchor, then select Object Anchor. In the Properties panel, import the trained model used for recognition. Drag the content that should be linked to this object into the Object Anchor group and adjust their relative position in the viewport. Then, add the following in the event system: Trigger event, on scene enter. Action event, start anchor. Once the object is detected in the real environment, the virtual content will automatically appear at the corresponding spatial location. Hand anchoring attaches content to the user's hand. Click Anchor, then select Hand Anchor. In the Properties panel, you can choose the left or right hand and a specific finger joint. This image shows the position of each finger joint. Drag the content you want to attach into the Hand Anchor group and adjust the relative position in the viewport. After setup, when the user enters the scene with a headset, the virtual content will appear on the hand and follow its movement. Head anchoring keeps content fixed in front of the user's view. Click Anchor, then select Head Anchor. Drag the content you want to attach into the Head Anchor group and adjust its distance and position relative to the view in the viewport. Once finished, no matter how the user moves, the content will remain in front of the user's field of view. World anchoring is used to bind virtual content to a location in the real world. Step 1. Create the spatial relationship between the content and an image. Click Anchor, then select World Anchor. In the Properties panel, add an image as the reference carrier. Drag the content you want to bind into the World Anchor group and adjust the spatial relationship between the virtual content and the image in the viewport. Step 2. Establish the relationship between the image and the real environment in Story. Tap Projects, Start New Placement. Select the image and enter Edit mode. Use gestures to place the image at the desired position in the real environment. Then confirm the placement. At this point, the image becomes anchored to the real environment in Story. When the project is opened again, the content will consistently appear at the preset location in the environment. With these 5 anchoring methods, you can freely build spatial narratives that blend the virtual and real worlds, from static recognition to dynamic tracking and real-world spatial anchoring. ProStory enables spatial content to truly exist in the real world.